Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. Please watch this video till the end and share it with all your friends. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what's the level of understanding you are going to get after completing computer networks. So before you start studying this, if you know what's the level of understanding that you are going to get, the diagrammatical visualization which we are going to provide in this class will help you a lot in understanding the computer network subject. After watching this, start studying computer networks. That helps you a lot. And the next point, when to start study computer networks. These 2 points we are going to discuss in this video. Coming to, let's take a rough brief computer networks architecture and complete visualization of the computer networks. With this example, we are going to explain what the level of understanding you are going to get after completing a computer networks. Let's take this application. Suppose this is your desktop. Your desktop is connected to the internet provider, the internet service provider who is going to provide you internet in your area. We call them as internet provider. So the device, that the router device which is present at internet provider is going to connect with the different systems that are present in your location. So this we call it as a network. See, this we call it as a network. So in this network, your system is connected to your desktop is one of the system, and in your desktop you have opened a WhatsApp application and you typed a message, hi, hello, how are you, to your friend who is located at United States of America. Suppose you are in India and you want to send a message to the system that present in United States of America. So what's happened when you send this message? What's the so how many different parts are there? What's the level of understanding you will get when these messages are sending to the destination? See, whenever the messages that present in your system, in your application, should be converted into ones and zeros, and it should be sent to the internet service provider, the router device which is present here. It should be sent to this device. Means the messages that are coming out of your system and sending to the next system that are present here. The communication between these two, this is what we call it as data link layer. So in the computer networks, we are having 3 important sessions: data link layer, network layer, and transport layer. So what's the different types of networks that are going to be used by internet service providers? There are many varieties of networks will be there, different varieties of types of networks, and how this data is communicated between these two systems in a network. That is what it is going to be dealt in data link layer. So this is the level of different types of networks, how communication is done between the systems in that network. It is going to be explained in data link layer. Once your message is received here, now it has to reach the destination. See, for destination you are having different parts. Your messages can go this side and your messages can go this side. Your internet provider is connected to the networks that are present on the nearest networks. Like this World Wide Web is forming. So it can take different parts. It can move this side or it can move this side. Which way you have to choose? The shortest path you have to choose. If this line is busy, which line you have to go? All these things, all the protocols that related to identify the destination, that we are going to deal in network layer. So the last part we are going to, once your messages reach to the destination system, see, if the messages reach to the destination system, see how many messages you have sent. Hi, hello, how are you? 4 messages you have sent, but in the destination system it reached only 3 messages. 1 message lost in the network somewhere. Which message it is lost? This system is going to acknowledge back to this system that the 3rd message has been lost, resend it again. Means This application here to here, it is going to communicate. It send the messages, it is going to give the acknowledgement. How these end-to-end connections will be established, that we are going to deal in the transport layer. This is the level of network visualization you are going to get after completing computer networks. So keep this example in mind, then start studying computer networks. That helps you a lot in understanding the subject easily. That's why we are explaining this type of examples before you start studying computer networks. And coming to the next one, when to start studying computer networks. In our last videos, we clearly discussed that the first subject a computer science student starts is C programming. Then he go with the data structures to improve his coding knowledge. Then he can go to the hardware side, DLD and computer organization and architecture. Then operating system. After completing operating system, you can start studying computer networks. This is the right time to start studying computer networks. So after completing operating system, you can start study computer networks. You can study all the subjects, all the computer science subjects from basics to the advanced subjects at Learning Monkey. The complete syllabus explanations are provided. Check our playlists. You can study complete computer science. Please do subscribe to our channel and share it with all your friends. Press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.